President Muhammadu Buhari says that his administration is not against the ongoing agitations for constitutional reforms, but due process must be followed in achieving such goals. Buhari made this position known in a broadcast to commemorate the 2021 Democracy Day.
In responding to the challenges that this period imposes on us, government also recognizes the need to acknowledge notions of marginalization and agitations for constitutional amendments among various segments of our population. While this government is not averse to constitutional reform as part of our nation-building process, everyone must understand that the primary responsibility for constitutional amendments lies with the National Assembly. This body, which, as I said, is the arm of government responsible for constitutional changes, has concluded the preliminary stages of amending and improving our constitution in a way that the majority of Nigerians will be happy with.